Good morning, Primary 3. Welcome back to Math session with me, Miss Tere. So now today we're going to learn about word problems, which is in chapter 4. Please get yourself ready by reading the book, your pupils book, and also your workbook. And if I can recommend you, if you have an equation or if you are still confused about addition and subtraction with or without regrouping, it's better for you to ask me now. You may leave your questions in the comment section or you may ask me through Edmodo. Why you need to master that before we go to word problems? Because in word problems, all of you are expected to be able to do addition and subtraction. So please open up your textbook, page 73. Now we're going to have this problem. This is what we call as word problems. Eve had 1,427 beads. Her mother gave her another 1,359 beads. How many beads did Eve have altogether? As you can see from the story, first Eve had 1,427. So we can build a box. This is what we call as model. So we can build a model for Eve. How many at first? 1,427. After that, her mother gave her another 1,359. Do we add the box or we cut the box? Add the box because mother gave to Eve. How many? 1,359. So how many beads did Eve have altogether? It means all of it. Equals what? What we gonna do? We gotta do addition. If we see all together, it means that addition. So just add it as usual. 7 plus 9, 6. Are you sure? 6? It's supposed to be 16. And we put 1 in the tens. 1 tens plus 2 tens plus 5 tens. 8 tens. Do we need to keep something? No. So go to the hundreds. 4 plus 3 hundreds, 700, and 1 plus 1,000, 2,000. So how many beads did Eve have altogether? 2,786. Go to textbook page 77. A cinema sold 3,278 tickets on Monday. On Tuesday, on Monday, cinema sold 3,278. On Tuesday, the next day, the cinema sold 3,156 tickets. How many tickets did cinema sell on both days? At first, Monday has how many? 3,278. And then Tuesday, 3,156. How many tickets did cinema sell on both days? Means both of them or all of them. It means what? Addition. 8 plus 6, 14. So we keep 1 tens in the tens. 1, 7, 5, 13, 100. That's it. 1 plus 2, 1, 4, and 3 plus 3, 6. So how many tickets did cinema sell on both days? 6,434 tickets on both days. There were 2,763 apples tree in our cart. 1,324 apple trees were chopped down. How many apple trees were left? Chop down artinya apa? Chop down artinya ditebang. So, what we gonna do? Build the model, draw the model. So at first, how many are there? 2,763. And some of the trees were chopped down. How many? 1,324. Nah, this one is chopped down. Artinya nggak ada lagi di model ini ya. And then the question asking you, how many apple trees were left? That's it. So, if there were 2,763 and 1,324 apple trees were chopped down, it means we gotta do subtraction or addition. Subtraction, that's right, because whenever you chop something, that will be less. So 3 minus 4 can or cannot? Cannot. So borrow 1 from 1 tenth. 6 tenths borrow 1 tenth will be 5 tenths. So we have 13 ones minus 4 ones, 9 ones. And 5 tenths minus 2 tenths equals 3 tenths. 7 minus 3, 4, and 2 minus 1, 1. So how many apple trees were left? 1,439. Let's practice. Open up your workbook, page 67. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. 10 seconds to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's it. Nicholas walked 1,350 steps to reach point A and another 2,396 steps to reach point B. How many steps did he take altogether? As you can see, altogether means what? Plus it. So for all of them, what we gonna do? Addition. So add it. 0 plus 6, 6. 5 plus 9, 14. Keep 1 there. 100 plus 300 plus 300, 700, and 3,000. So how many steps? Nicholas took 3,746 steps all together. Go to 68. I give you another 10 seconds to think whether it is addition or subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, what we gonna do? If you are still confused, it's better for you to draw the models. The models will help you. Ramli had $5,098. So at first, Ramli had $5,098. He paid. When you pay something, will your money be less or more? Kalau kalian bayar sesuatu, uangnya itu tambah banyak, uang kalian itu tambah banyak atau tambah sedikit? Tambah sedikit. That's why we have to cut the box. How many? $1,243. And then the rest, or how much did he have left? That's the question. What we gotta do? Of course, subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 0 minus 2, is it 2? No, 0 minus 2 cannot. If it's cannot, we gotta borrow from 1,000. So we have 10 hundredths minus 2 hundredths equals 8 hundredths. 4,000 minus 1,000, 3,000. So how much did he have left? Ramli had 3,855 left. Tom and Jane have 2,321 cards altogether. Jane had 1,568 cards. How many cards does Tom have? Give you 10 seconds to think whether you add or you subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what we gotta do? First of all, if you are confused, you can draw the models. So Tom and Jane have 2,321 cards altogether. It means that kartu ini dipunyai oleh Tom dan Jane. Kartu Tom dan Jane bareng-bareng ada 2.321 kartu. Now, we know that Jane had 1,568. Nah, this one is for Jane. Jane has how many? 1,568. And then the rest will be for Tom. So Tom has how many ya? What we gotta do? Look at. So from here until here is 2321. Here until here is 1568. So Tom, will we plus or add? Will we plus or minus? Look at Tom's model. Is it the smallest? Is it less than this? Then all? Is it less than all? Yes. So what we gotta do? Minus it. Let's minus it quickly. 1 minus 8 can also borrow 1 from 2 will be 3. That's it. 1 tenth minus 6 tenths can also borrow 1 from hundreds. That's it. 11 minus 6, 5. 2 minus 5 can also borrow 1 from 1000. 1000 there. That's it. 1200 minus 500, 7. And 1 minus 1, 0. So how many cards does Tom have? 753 cards. So that's all for today, Primary 3. I hope that all of you can understand about it. If you cannot understand or if you have something to ask, you may drop your comment, you may drop your questions in the comment, or you may ask me through @Model DM. That's all. Thank you and bye-bye.